What is Pi Network? How to make money with Pi Network? Pi Network reality. Pi Network explained. Now everywhere people share the link of Pi Network to earn coins, but what is actually Pi coins? Just as people ignored Bitcoin and today people regret it, similarly Pi coin is a cryptocurrency that can be mining by mobile, but it is not launched in the market. Some people tell about the price is so much, but all is estimated until is launched.
The announcement of the Pi Network was done in 2019, but it has not been launched yet. Every time they said that we have such a million target. We will launch as soon as the user completes, but today is 2021. So far this currency has not been launched.
So here you may have a bit of issue that it were real, it should have been launched, but it is not happening yet. Even now over 10 million downloads have been made on this app. Now I also come on this application how you can earn money using the app as they explain.
Download the app of Pi Network and just click on the button of mining once in 24 hours and your mining will start after that. The coins of your Pi Network will start being generated, and at the time when this currency will be launched, is you have a
This is the interface of Pi cryptocurrency. Tap to earn button is show how much you earn right now, and for earning you have to tap once in 24 hours. This is the current scenario happen in Pi society. Pointers earned by checking in every 24 hours to show your commitment to prove you are human, not robot. Contributor adding other member to your security circle, enabling the Pi Network to secure transaction. Ambassador earn high rate by inviting people to join Pi Network. Node are in stage 2 that run decentralized blockchain.